Anyway, you're a youth champion, and I guess I might just be David.
Still brand new.
I might be a tad biased right here, because this horse, this is her second consecutive youth championship.
It's good.
That is great. I saw a little girl that knew nothing about barrel racing, and when they came to the ranch, I said, so what do you know? Well, I've been watching Fallon Taylor on YouTube, and it was great. I loved it. Well, she came and ended up an excellent rider and a really good fit with that Bay Road mare. And they are your champion, Billy Ford.
I looked really weird walking up there. I looked really awkward.
Good job. Little one. Guys, how about a big round of applause for her?